Meaning of golliwog.
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 Golliwog. Golliwog is a term with a controversial history. Originally used in children's books as a character, it later became associated with a negative racial stereotype of black people. Today, the term is widely considered offensive and inappropriate due to its racist connotations. The term has been largely phased out of use in recent years as awareness of racial sensitivity has grown. Nonetheless, it remains important to be mindful of such terms and to avoid using language that can be hurtful or derogatory towards any group of people.